We've learned our lesson.
Yes. Yes.
We don't want to.
Very fair. I didn't even think about that. To
We've
be
learned
honest.
our lesson.
Okay, fair.
Got you.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, I'm just a trucker, man.
Okay. Over the road.
Yeah, I've done that for a while. Now locally, pretty much. But I
Okay.
did over the road, mainly driving somewhere like Tonopah,
Yeah.
Beaver, Utah, Ontario, California. And then I did the actual trucking thing for about 9-10 months where we went to Chicago every week, and then LA, and then back. That was different.
That's a rough life, man.